Stop scrolling. This one is for creators who want pro level editing without the headache. I'm Kevin, and today I will show you how to access CapCut Pro features legally so you can edit like a pro without paying a dime. Stick around. By the end, you will know exactly which free features, official trial, and setting to get all these CapCut Pro features for free. So I will just come to my existing project. So this is my existing project. So now if you see this project, I already use some CapCut Pro features. So if I go to export, they will ask me to log in. You see, I cannot export this video. You can see these are the features I've used, CapCut Pro features. I will just take back to editing, highlight all these features. You click outside here, then you scroll the mouse and hover it over all the elements. Now everything have been highlighted. So the next thing I will do is I will just come here on any of them and right click on it. If you right click on it, you will see this feature that says create compound clips. You just click on it. So everything we have done here so far have become one clip, but still yet we cannot export it because we used the pro feature. The next thing we'll do here now is just watch me. Here is where the magic lies. So now you will come back here again on this clip. You still right click on it, and then you will see this feature that says pre-process compound clip. You take it, you click on it. Now this one will take a longer time. So our clip is ready now. This clip has already been saved into our computer, but how do we access it? So now we'll come here, we'll close this window. On our desktop, we see CapCut here. This is CapCut. So I will right click on CapCut and then go to property, come to open file location. When you are here on open file location, you take this arrow that faces up, this one here, you take it and then you bring you here. You come here to user data, click on user data. If you enter user data, go to project, you take this first one here, the first one, you, and then we look for that file name. We go back to CapCut. This is the file name, that's 1003. So we look for that file name. So if you come here, this is the file name 1003. We double click it. Now after we double click it, we go on resources. If you click on resources, open combination. So this is our video. Let me play it.
Are you struggling to get views because you are not alone?
If this saved you time, show a little love. Smash that like button, subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss anytime I drop something like this.